Welcome back. We're going to break down a quick mobility exercise we can utilize to open up this space in our hips. So all you're going to need is a wall, and then you're going to drop your leg down flush against that wall like so, and then you're going to bring your opposite foot forward. To start off, what we're thinking about and focusing on is keeping length from our knee all the way up through our shoulders, up through the top of our head. If you can maintain that length from this position, you can slowly start to raise yourself up, 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 up. And then you're gonna start to open up this space through the hip, through the quads, through the psoas, through the whole visceral system, and start opening up this whole line. As you're able to come all the way standing, that's fantastic. If not, don't worry about it. From here, we're going to kick our leg back against the wall, do a little contract, relax exercise. So you're gonna kick for 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then relax your breath, out, out, out. And as I'm doing this, I'm keeping my ribs tucked down forward. I'm not splaying myself out like this. I'm keeping this length, this stack, this line from my knee all the way to the top of my head. And then we're gonna do one more kick. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm kicking against that wall, and then relax all the way back. And then I can start to come down forward like this. And I can start to open up, drive those hands down through the ground, keep that length up through my head, and start to open the hip from this direction. Keep the knees nice and stacked, keep the big toe connected down on the ground, and then I can alternate, bam, going back up into that. Play in between those both movements, play with the contract, relax, keep that length up through the head, keep the ribs tucked. That's it, open up the hips. Thank you so much.